To make a gradient background, go to your tool panel and select this gradient tool. And here click on this gradient option, select gradient and click here. And here you will find a bunch of different gradient option. You can go ahead and select any of them. In my case, I'm selecting a gradient from this orange folder, selecting this specific gradient. Now all you have to need, just draw your gradient just like this. You can draw the gradient vertically as well, horizontally as well. And you can also rotate your gradient just like this. Once you added the gradient, right click on your gradient background. And here also you can change your gradient color just like this. So that's how you can actually add gradient background. Thanks for watching.